Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a couple weeks and just been hanging out, not rushing this one at all. Gotten a couple things off the engine to evaluate, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get as much more of the engine cleaned up as I can today. So let's jump right into it. So one of the things that happens a lot when you're taking apart these old engines is the exhaust manifold studs snap off. Whether it's a bolt or a stud and the nut, they just get rusty, and especially with an aluminum head, the difference of metals causes corrosion and they ultimately just get super stuck in there. This engine in particular had 4 studs that were broken off, and this was the first time I've tried it, but essentially what I did to get those out, as you can see right here, I just weld on. I put a little nut over that, hit it with the welder, weld that nut on, and then I can pull it out really easily. The heat from the weld actually breaks up that corrosion, and essentially it's like putting the torch on it, but now you've got a nut welded on, you can really easily undo it. For the ones that are flush, where they break off and it's flush with the head and you can't get a nut on, and essentially where it's flush, you still use the welder, go in and just bit by bit, you build up a little weld, little weld, little weld, little weld, and eventually what you're left with is kind of this little nug that you can throw a pair of vice grips onto. And again, the heat from the weld essentially loosens everything up and you're able to easily pull that out. So it worked out really well here, and now we are clean and good to go with these heads. And now the last thing to take off is this monster truck intake. Alright, thanks for watching. We've got a lot of cleaning ahead of us. Wow. Yeah, I'll see you next time.